Hello, hello, am I audible? Hello, please confirm whether I'm audible now. Hello, hello, please confirm whether I'm audible now. Okay, yeah, so I think now it is perfect. We'll just cross check once again so that in between the class there is no, I know that when you are trying a question in between, buffering will be very difficult to follow. So now I think it is perfect. All of you please confirm. Okay, perfect. Yes, let's start then. Okay, so this is a rapid fire series which we are trying to start from the last 2 days, but due to this technical issues, we could not start, or we started, but we had to stop in between because of the technical glitches. Hopefully now it is sorted. Looking at the audio and video in my phone also, I think it is better now. All of you, if you can confirm in the chat, that will help me, or that will be motivating me, because last 2 days for me also, as the class could not go as per the schedule, for me also it was little demotivating. So all of you confirm करिए, chat पे confirm करिए, audio video clear है ना? Those of you, I know you were waiting for this class for the last 2 days. So definitely वो दो lectures next week में we will be taking that extra. So whatever promised will be provided, even if it is delayed. Okay. Jivika, I think offline you can download this, I guess. That is actually setting of YouTube. That is not a setting we decide in the while we are streaming. It is setting of YouTube. Okay, if all of you are able to hear me properly, please hit a like button also for this video, so that this video will reach to more people, because due to this first 2 lectures got cancelled, students are also not aware of this lecture. So if any of your friends want to join this lecture also, share this link with them. Okay, let's start. For the new people, this is the bio of me. This is the book I have written for General Aptitude, and these are the free resources. Free resources join करने के लिए check the description of the video. You can find the link of all these lectures, and our full paid courses are available. General Aptitude का recorded course for CSIR-NET is available at a limited time special price for the next, because the exam is happening in 1 month. We are giving a 1 month subscription option, which is at a very lowest price. This is the recording of the latest course, not the previous course. This is the latest live course ka recorded videos and study materials. Everything is part of this. More about this we will discuss towards the end of the class. And GATE ka bhi complete course as crash course is available. That also, those of you want to check out, check the description of the video, or in the description, or download our mobile app and check it. Okay. Jivika, that is because last 2 classes was rescheduled. That is why. Okay, so we will start with this question. This question yesterday I have taken in the live session, but due to that buffering issue, I don't think anyone have heard the solution of this question. So with this question, we will start today's practice. Try kariye your question. Jivika, this is the first lecture in this rapid fire series. Previous 2 lectures are not there in the YouTube. That is why you are not able to download it. All of you try this question. The series is useful for upcoming GATE exam also, upcoming CSIR-NET exam also, and we'll be discussing questions from the latest PYQs. This was a previous GATE exam question asked in 2025. Yes, Abid, I am good. Hope all of you are doing well. Any answers? Carefully read the question and answer it. Very good. Some of you got it. As it's a rapid fire lecture, let's start the explanation. So the question says, this was asked in GATE 2025 as I mentioned. Let P1 and P2 denote two arbitrary prime numbers. That means it can be any of the prime numbers. It can be any of the prime numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. So any of those prime numbers you can take. But which one of the following statements is correct for all values of P1 and P2? सारा P1 P2 के लिए करेक्ट होने वाला ऑप्शन कौन सा है? दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन. नॉट फॉर सम वैल्यूज, नॉट फॉर वन वैल्यू, फॉर ऑल वैल्यूज. लेट अस चेक. ऑप्शन ए, P1 plus P2 is not a prime number. हाँ, आई एग्री दैट P1 P2 प्राइम नंबर है तो P1 plus P2 प्राइम नंबर होना जरूरी नहीं है, बट नॉट प्राइम नंबर होना भी जरूरी नहीं है. I mean, generally numbers which are not prime are called composite, except one which is neither prime nor composite. These are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. which have only two factors, one and that number. Composite number have at least one more factor other than that, other than one and that number. So these are the list of first 25 prime numbers or prime numbers below 100. These white marked numbers are the prime numbers below 100. Others are composite except one which is neither prime nor composite. So, by that, P1 and P2, uska sum, can you say it will be not a prime number? No, it can be a prime number also. For example, 2 and 3. P1, P2, 2 and 3 है तो P1 plus P2 क्या होगा? 2 plus 3, 5, which is a prime number. So not a prime number is not satisfying at least for this example. That is why option A is not the answer. All of you are understanding this? Yeah, I'm keeping the camera off so that the delay won't be there. Now the audio video is clear, na? All of you? Buffering issue is not there, na? So option A, that's why it's not the answer, because all values के लिए सही होने वाला option चाहिए. Option B, P1 into P2 is not a prime number. That is true for all values, क्योंकि P1 P2 दो numbers है तो उसका product confirm एक composite number होगा, because वो P1 and P2 itself are two factors of that product which are neither one and nor that number. For example, if I am taking 2 and 3, 2 into 3 6 है, तो 6 कंफर्म कॉम्पोजिट होगा क्योंकि ये 2, 3 एटलीस्ट आर एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर्स अदर देन 1 and 6 which are mandatory factors. Are you all understanding? In our chapter factors, divisibility and reminders, we discussed this in detail. Our complete course students, hope all of you remember those discussions. So 2 into 3 6. So confirm ये composite होगा. ये सारा prime number combination के लिए correct होगा ना. For example, ये 3 into 5 15 composite number है. 5 into 7 21 composite number है. 11 into 13 1 43 composite number है. किसी भी दो प्राइम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कॉम्पोजिट नंबर ही मिलेगा. तो नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, करेक्ट, ऑप्शन बी. बट द वे द क्वेश्चन इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड इज दैट you may get confused what exactly they are asking. So option B is the correct answer because सारा value के लिए not a prime number मिलेगा. All of you understood this? Any doubts? If it is clear, let's go to the next question. Coding decoding question. Carefully try करिए. I have cherry picked 10 questions which covers all the major areas of CSIR and GATE aptitude, and that is what we are discussing. By this question. Harpreet have commented in the live chat. Sir, I am here to thank you because आपके YouTube पर live rapid fire lectures तो attend करके I qualified my CSIR-NET JRF with all India rank 53. Once again, thank you so much, sir. So happy to hear, Harpreet. Yeah, another reason why all of you should follow this rapid fire series, because this rapid fire series we are conducting for the last almost 6 years. Not only in my platform, when I was teaching in an academy also, I was running this rapid fire series there. Because this was a series before exam, will help you to practice a lot. And thank you so much for the testimonial, Harpreet. And congratulations on winning JRF with very good rank. Thanks for letting us know, because that is very important. Many students get help from the videos, but they don't mention it. So, but many students does that actually whenever we go through the comments of students, that's a big motivation for any educator. Not only for me, for any educator who helped you do comment under their videos, that will help them also, because other students also will know about the quality of the lectures. And thank you so much again, Harpreet Kaur. Jeevika, you are preparing for NET exam only or GATE exam only, or for both exams? Yeah, in one line I cannot give a guidance. Please go through the strategy lectures in this channel. You will get an idea where I have explained about which topics are more important, and flashcard revision series, which we are planning for starting another flashcard revision series in the next 1 month. So that you get a revision. I will update you. All of you just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because there are many more useful initiatives that we are going to do in the next few days. Okay, this question, some of you got the answer. Wonderful. So coding decoding I have taught in the previous class. Coding decoding, the different types of questions. These are 14 major types of questions in coding decoding. So let's see if this is any of these type. Image and field are coded as FHBNJ and EMFGJ, FJG. Then which one of the following is most appropriate code for beach? So image is coded as IMAGE is coded as FHBNJ. HIJK. So this F and this I, let's see alphabetically how they are connected. EFGHI, मतलब ये F के साथ 3 ऐड किया तो I मिलेगा, या I -3. because this is the word. Word minus 3 is the code. Let's see whether it is consistent here. M minus 3 H, yes, H I J K, sorry, minus 3 nahi hai, H I J K L M. Okay, so it is not consistent at all because ye minus 3, ye minus 5, ye kuch aur hai. So that is not the idea. We understood that that is not the idea. So let's see what other ideas are possible. So let's see whether it is direct coding. Direct coding in the sense we have to take all the pair. Just a minute, sorry. Beats is the question. Nah? So let us search for these letters itself specifically. That is another technique you can use if there is no direct, like there is no alphabetical connection we are able to establish directly. B, is there B in image or F, H, B, N, J? Yes, B is the middle letter here. And B ka code F hai. Whatever be the reason, B ka code F hai, na? So whether that is consistent, we have to check it. Because how to check that? Look at this. Which are the letters that is common in both? Which are the letters that is common in both these things? Any letter that is common in both? I, M, A, G, E, F, H, B, N, J. There is no common letter. One second. Confused about this. Please try the next question. I'll come back to this question. Try the next question. Another coding decoding question itself. Uske baad pichle question I will just solve it. Yeah, in exam also, when you are confused about a question, you can go to the next question and come back to the question. You don't have to stick on to that question and spend too much time on that. That is something you have to be careful. Pichla question be easy hai. I just got confused somewhere. We'll just clarify it. Okay. Yeah, पिछले question बहुत ही simple था. The letters are reversed. That's why, that's a trick there. I'll come to that. Complete this. Then I will come to that. No buffering or anything now. All of you, please confirm audio, video clear. And those who joined now, please hit the like button if the session you are feeling it is useful for you. Okay, I'll explain. Hyde and Cage are coded as 1923 711. So this is letter to number coding. Letter to number coding. This most probably in these questions there will be an alphabetical connection itself. Alphabetical connection means position of letters in English alphabet according to that. Like A is first letter, B is second letter, C is third letter, up to Z is 26th letter. ये position remember करने के लिए code है EJOTY code, EJOTY, which are the 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th, 25th letters in English alphabet. I'm just quickly revising this theory. In detail, maybe we will plan for a flashcard revision series. That time I will explain these flashcards so that the complete course students also before the exam, you will have a quick practice. Just let me know in the comment section, those of you who are interested in this flashcard revision series. Earlier also we have conducted it before the last exam, but before this exam also, if you want such a flashcard revision lecture series, let me know in the comments, those of you are watching me live or recorded. Anyway, coming back to, so alphabetically H is the 8th letter. Let's see whether that have a connection with this or not. Okay, H is 8, but here it is 19. I is 23, D is 7 here, and E is 11 here. So if 8 becoming 19 means that is addition of 11, and I is 9, 9 becoming 23 means addition of 14. Okay, so that means this is a direct connection most probably. Okay, there is a 1 digit that is missing. What is that digit? Just a minute. Please wait, I'm just adjusting the slide. I think there is a hyphen that is missing here. 51711 should be the one. Okay. Yeah, but that does not matter. Before that itself you can get the answer, because ye dekhiye, H is here, H is 19 by whatever the reason. Yeah, this question and previous question I got confused. So H is 19 anyway. So question mein high H is there in the first position and last position. मतलब वो दोनों 19 होना चाहिए ना. वो दोनों 19 वाला एक ही option है, option D. So that is enough to finish this question. But you can cross check it so that we can be sure that our ideas are correct. Look at this. This E are common. So in both these codes, 11 is there. Both these codes, 11 is there. So it is confirmed that this is the coding. Direct letter to number. But how that number? Is it alphabetical? No, it is not alphabetical. This alphabetical connection is not there in this. That's why option. That's why you have to be careful. Some question alphabetical connection is there. Like previous question alphabetical connection tha, but they have used two ideas together. Reverse order coding or adding common number coding. ये दोनों का idea use किया है. Adding common number means A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2, D plus 2, E plus 2, F plus 2, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 for example. Same way, image I and E and F देखिए, -1 connection है ना, और +1 connection. E plus 1 is F. G H I +2 connection. Yeah, not adding common number. Successive number addition. Successive increase. Third type. Third and first type का hybrid है ये. And sorry, I wrote it wrong. Image is coded as FHBNJ. I will write it one below the other. Image is coded as FHBNJ because I and J, the connection is -1. HIJ, sorry, +1. M and N connection is +1. A and B +1. G and H plus 1, E and F plus 1. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the idea. Adding a common number but in reverse order. समझ में आया? Same way field and EM, F, J, G are connected. FIELD and EM, F, J, G, because F plus 1 G, I plus 1 J, E plus 1 F, L plus 1 M, D plus 1 E. समझ में आया? So beach is a 5-letter word. So B plus 1 C should be written here. अभी option elimination कर सकता है. Option A can be eliminated. E plus 1 F should be the second last letter. ऐसा एक ही option है, option B. That way you can save time. All of you clear? Okay, many of you are requesting for flashcard revision series. Yes, we will plan that. I was saying most underrated channel. Thank you so much, Abid. Yeah, but you can make it correctly rated, not if not overrated, by sharing it with your friends. More people join our initiatives, definitely the channel, more people will see. Yeah, I'm happy to see one of our playlist of GATE is currently one of the top viewed playlist in YouTube for GATE General Aptitude. And one of the videos are about to touch 2 lakh views. But still, as many of you think, still it can reach to more and more people, and I need your support for that. So share these free videos. I'm not telling about my paid courses. Paid courses anyway, students will get to know about it automatically when they are part of the YouTube videos and all. But if you think that this channel's quality of content is good, share it with your friends. Share it with your Telegram groups or WhatsApp groups relevant for GATE or CSIR preparation, because these two exams are our major focus. Even if we provide courses for civil service and other exams, these two are the major focus. Bio Chronicles, it is not because it is hidden, it was deleted because last 2 days there was technical issues so much that we had to we could not complete the lecture. Buffering issues that students were not able to hear properly. So today is the first lecture, we can say. So today's lecture onwards, recording will be there as today's lecture buffering issues are not at all there, I guess, or negligible. So try this question. Number system, search and exponent question. Very good. Some of you got it. Search and exponents का idea clear है तो ये question difficult नहीं है. A raised to m the whole raised to n. A by b the whole raised to m. Those things that you learned in school. Nothing new. Everything you learned in school is enough to do this question. So, when bases are same, how to multiply and divide. When powers are same, how to multiply and divide. Power of power. These are the 3 concepts that you have to be clear about. So, when bases are same, how to multiply? Just add up the powers. How to divide? Just subtract the powers. All of you remember this, right? Or you can go through this flashcard which explains about it. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. Similarly, power same hai to you can club up the bases, that is the next 2 rules. Then power of power, when bracket is there, you can multiply the powers. If bracket is not there, you have to start from the top powers. Top power, top to bottom is the natural order, which is called tower rule of exponents. Okay, anyway, these are the rules you should know. Now, here the base and power, nothing is same. That's a challenge. So, you have to make it same. How? Here, देखिए 3 raised to something, 27 raised to something. 27 is power of 3, na? So, write 27 as power of 3. That will make the solution easy. A raised to 1 by 3, I will come back to that. 3 raised to 81 by 3 cube hai na? 27. Uska raised to 4. Now, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is, as I mentioned, a raised to m into n. A raised to m into n. So, that is 3 raised to 81 divided by 3 raised to 12. Now, I am just telling it as a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Iska reason kya hai? We have discussed in the detailed lecture in our course. Because, yeah, you just list it out. Exponent ka definition pata hai to wo bahut hi simple hai. Now, isko dekhiye. Powers base same hai. Now, you can subtract the powers. That is 3 raised to 81 minus 12, 3 raised to 69. Now, I haven't considered raised to 1 by 3. So, if you consider raised to 1 by 3 now, what is the meaning of raised to 1 by 3? Fractional power ka meaning kya hai? Root. That is the meaning. Fraction ka denominator mein kya number hai? Utna root lena hai. The third root hai ye. So, 3 raised to 69 ka third root. Or you just multiply this. 69 into 1 by 3. That is 69 by 3, 23. So 3 raised to 23, option C is the answer. Did you all understood this? Rahul is asking, will this course continue till the exam? Rahul, I will say in this rapid fire, 5 lectures will be there. After that, according to the response of students, we will schedule more lectures. Anyway, as of now, 5 lectures are scheduled. We were planning to complete it by this Friday, but due to this technical issue, we are extending it to next week. Yeah, as many of you requested or showed interest in the flashcard revision series, we will plan for that also before exam. So try this question. Ranking ordering question, which was a previous CSIR-NET PYQ itself. Carefully try kariye. Okay. Due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. Among A, B, C, D, C is shorter than D. So ranking ordering question, you have to visualize, visual method of doing questions. As I told in many previous classes, there are 15 ways of doing general aptitude questions. And visual method in many questions is very important. So C is shorter than D, so C below D, but smarter than D. So smartness is another variable, so don't mix it up. Height is what we are first denoting. B is taller than D, so B above D. But not smarter, we will go to that later. A is not taller than C. मतलब A shorter than C हो सकता है या same height हो सकता है. But in this question, same height का situation option के perspective में होने का chances नहीं है. So this is the height. Now let us check. So B is the tallest and A is the shortest. A shortest वाला एक ही option है. So option A should be the answer. So Smartness, even if you don't check, you can get the answer. And smartness, if you want to, this will be the order. That, due to lack of time, I'm not explaining more. Next, let's go to a probability question. Each question I'm taking from different areas. And in one session, all different areas cannot be covered. So in the 5-day rapid fire series, we'll try to take one example at least from every areas of general aptitude or all the major areas of general aptitude. Today for our complete course in our CSIR-NET course, we were discussing about this ATM pin situation. Those of you attended that lecture, you remember, I guess. But that was a permutation combination question. This is a probability question, which is an extension of that permutation combination question. In the probability detailed lecture, we will be discussing that. I'm telling this to our complete course students. Rahul, I will try my maximum. As I told, those of you feel that more sessions like this should happen, please share it with maximum people. That will be a big motivation for me to come up with more such sessions. Because YouTube also, when a lecture is watched by more live students, YouTube will recommend that video to more people and more people will be benefited by it and more people will be part of our sessions, which will always be a motivating thing for us. So as I have told in the beginning, if you feel this video should reach to more people, or if you feel you want more such sessions, do share this video links to maximum people, or at least hit the like button and comment under the video, because that are some things which comes under the YouTube algorithm to decide whether a video should be recommended to similar audience. You see many recommendations in YouTube, na? Video recommendation. So that recommendation is based on the algorithm, which is based on these things. Whether viewers like the video, then the video will reach to more and more people. So indirectly, you can support these initiatives by just hitting like button or commenting the video or sharing the link with maximum people. Okay, so try this question, all of you. Yeah, this is a practical question. Nowadays, we get OTP for most of the sites or logins. There, in case you know the first 2 digits and last, someone like in some other device you have entered and your friend is telling the OTP, the first 2 digits you heard, last 2 digits you didn't hear. By that time, his or her phone got switched off. So you cannot connect him or her. So now you have to guess the last 2 digits. ऐसा guess किया तो 20 guesses का chance है. Yeah, OTPs normally will have a limit how many times you can enter the OTP. After that they will say exceeded the number of limits. So 20 trial के लिए options दे रहा है. Then ये 20 trial से इसका answer या OTP correct मिलने का chance कितना है? First 2 positions are known means you don't have to worry about that first 2 positions. Only the last 2 position which I call as X and Y. तो ये X क्या क्या हो सकता है? 0 to 9 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Y repetition allowed है. 0 to 9 कुछ भी हो सकता है. मतलब यहाँ पे 10 possibility, यहाँ पे 10 possibility. There is something called fundamental principle of counting says m ways to do one thing, n ways to do another thing, m into n ways to do both the things together. So 100 possibilities are there to fill these 2 digits. Namely 0001 up to 99. 00 up to 2 digit numbers, last number 99 tak likhna. That are the 100 possibility. Or you don't have to visualize it like this. Just 10 into 10, 100 is enough. Now, ये 100 में से you can take only 20 of these possibilities. Maybe 00 to 19 तक 20 possibility है ना. वो एंटर किया तो सही होने का चांस कितना है? Probability का बेसिक डेफिनेशन क्या है? Required outcome by total outcome. Total outcomes 100 है, उसमें से आप random 20 outcomes एंटर कर रहा है. So 20 by 100 will be the answer, which is 0.2. All of you understood this? Please respond how option B point to is the answer. So that was an interesting question, right? Probability का question है, permutation combination का idea भी involved था. Try this question. Number system का question ही है. Basic arithmetic है, very simple. But this was asked in a previous year question. Okay, let's go a little faster. Dividing 60 by half. Here, there is a chance that some people make a mistake. That 70 is the answer. Yeah, one or two of you made that mistake, and that is understandable. Dividing 60 by half is not 60 by 2 or 60 into half. It is 60 divided by half. Matlab this 2 goes to the top. It will be 60 into 2, 120 plus half of 40. That is 20. ये दोनों का sum 140 होगा. Option D is the answer. In panic, especially in exam hall, which you may have a level of panic where इसको misunderstand कर सकता है. Dividing 60 by half को 60 into half लिख सकता है या 60 by 2 लिख सकता है. वो गलत है. ऐसा किया तो 30 plus 20 50 मिलेगा. वो भी options में है. Did you understand? Those of you got option A, why it is wrong? Did you understand that? Then try this question. This was a common question asked in GATE and NET exam multiple times. 2 times in GATE, 2 times in NET. The same type question was asked with different numbers, obviously. Try करिए. Average speed का concept, a very commonly repeated question. Commonly repeated in the sense not every time or anything, but competitive exam में common question है ये. Most of the competitive exam have this concept based question. Okay, I'll explain. So there is a formula which helps you to do this kind of question. And please understand this question also, if you don't know the theory of this chapter, there is a chance that you may think that 600 plus 1000 by 2 is the answer. 600 plus 1000 by 2 kya hai? 1600 by 2, 800, which is wrong answer, which is present in the options. That's the most important thing. Because 600 plus 1000 by 2 कर सकता है कब? If the distance from, if the time between Delhi to Vizag and Vizag to Mumbai are equal. But time nahi, distance equal है. Distance equal है तो confirm time different है. Because distance equal है, speed different है तो time different होना ही चाहिए. Time different है तो average speed cannot be sum of speed divided by 2. It is weighted average concept. And the weightage is speed. Weightage is time. Because Yeah, I'm not explaining too much theory about it because that much time nahi hai. ये formula apply करिए, 2 times first speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. That means 2 times first speed is what? 600 into second speed 1000 divided by 600 plus 1000. तो simplify किया तो आपको मिलेगा 750. If you know this formula, this is how to do it. Otherwise, if you don't know this formula, you know at least speed is equal to distance by time ना, ऐसा भी कर सकता है. उसका solution यहाँ दिया है. I will do one thing. I will try to upload these PDF of these questions in our mobile app. Not today, but we need 2-3 days for that. ये rapid fire series का study materials we will provide it in the mobile app of ours. Christy's classes is the name of the mobile app. From the Play Store you can get it. Not only this, you can get many other study materials there. Check the description of the video to install the app. So if you don't know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time use करके भी solve कर सकता है. ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए. दिस वाज अ सितंबर 2022 नेट एग्जाम प्रॉब्लम. ये सेम क्वेश्चन गेट एग्जाम में भी आया था. आई एम पिकिंग दोस काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हिच हैव बीन सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस इन बोथ दीस एग्जाम्स सो दैट दिस लेक्चर विल बी यूजफुल फॉर both the exams. What I am saying is not with different numbers. Literally same number gate exam में पूछा था. Same number. 3 hour 15 minutes लिखा है ना. Gate exam में वो पूछा था 3:15, which is 3 hour 15 again. Jivika, let me see if possible. I will upload in Telegram also, but in the app it will be easier to use so that you can check out the other study materials in the app also. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining angle between. Formula is half into modulus of 60h minus 11m. That is half into modulus of 60 into 7 minus, 60 into here 3 minus 11 into 15. Because 3 hour 15 minutes means hour hand value is 3, minute hand value is 15. H is hour hand value, M is minute hand value. Substitute it and get the answer. So half into modulus of 60 into 3 minus 11 into 15, which will give you half into 180 minus 165. Modulus means negative है तभी वो positive बनाना है. Half into 15, which is 7.5 degree. Now, if any of you who are totally new to this chapter of clock problems, if you're thinking why it is not 0, hour hand भी 3 पे होगा, minute hand भी 3 पे होगा ना. Minute hand 3 पे होगा ऐसा, but hour hand 3 पे नहीं. By the 15 minutes our minute hand have traveled, our hand will move this much. This angle is what the question is asking about. All of you clear? Then we will do this kind of a question, which is again a common type in NET and GATE. Digits and place value type question. How to represent a 2-digit number, that is the main idea in this. Okay, I'll explain. If the sum of two-digit numbers of the sum of the 2-digit numbers formed from the digits AB. What are the 2-digit numbers formed from the digit AB? AB and BA. That are the only two possibilities, na? AB or iska reverse BA. Now, AB को generally 10A plus B लिख सकता है according to the number system, decimal number system we follow. Similarly, BA को 10B plus A. Question is saying that sum of these two, that means add these two, is a perfect square. So simplify this. 10A plus 1A, 1B plus 10B. So 11A plus 11B. 11 common लिया तो 11 times A plus B. 11 times A plus B एक perfect square होना चाहिए. 11 into what is a perfect square? 11 into 11 is a perfect square. So 11 is what you need here instead of A plus B. Question is asking about A plus B only. which is 11. सबको clear है ये? Please respond. So that are the 10 questions from different areas of general aptitude we discussed. Again, all these areas, almost all these areas, through this YouTube channel itself, I have given many free videos on. So those of you want to learn any of these areas in detail, subscribe the channel and check out all the playlists in this channels. As course itself, we have given in free videos. Now, those of you thinking that then YouTube video and our paid course, what's the difference? A lot of difference, because the paid course is more structured. YouTube videos are only collection of videos and assorted videos which I have uploaded in different years. But the paid courses are more structured course based on the latest syllabus, latest trend of questions, because we are currently taking these sessions. For example, CSIR-NET ka recorded course. This is the latest recorded course which we recently uploaded. Earlier, June 2025 exam ka recording ही available था. अभी latest recording we have provided as a course, and for limited time we are providing it at a minimal cost, so that before exam you can subscribe it and get use of it. Because other than YouTube videos, in this course will be structured videos. About 70 videos will be there, and class notes of each of these videos will be there, and practice worksheets of each of these videos, and all important PYQs are discussed in the class. Extra PYQs are given topic wise in the study material, and 10 mock tests will be part of this. The flashcard ebook will be part of this. All these you can get it at this minimal price, and you will be part of our discussions in the group also, especially if you are part of the live course. These are the live course we were running the last few months for CSIR-NET. Live course is more structured because it follows a structure of classes, 3-day classes, 3-day recording, 3-day practice and Sunday weekly test. So recorded course में वो structure नहीं होगा. I mean this 3-day structure नहीं होगा, but content will be there. All those content will be there. But once you are being part of the live course, you will be attending the live classes also. You will be part of this practice that is more structured, because students also, when they try these questions, they can post the doubts in the group so that students can discuss among themselves, or if there is doubts, there will be separate doubt clearing session for clearing that. This I have told for CSIR-NET. Same is the case for GATE also. GATE also we have a live complete course. But for the upcoming exam, I don't think any of you should join our live complete course. You should join our recorded course, because now only 1 month or 2 months is remaining for your NET or GATE exam. But if you are preparing for June 2026 NET exam or December 2026 NET exam, GATE 2027 GATE exam, you can be part of our new live course we will be launching very soon. So stay tuned for that. But those who are targeting only for the upcoming exam, that is December CSIR or February GATE. For CSIR we have the recorded course. For GATE also the latest recorded course are available in our platform. So check the description of the video. All these links of these courses are also given, or download the mobile app. There you can find all these courses. So these are the other resources we provide, and we will try to add these study material, not today as I told, because I have to format it and all. So I will format it and upload it in our mobile app, Christy's classes. The questions that we discussed today and the solutions of most of the questions also, I will try to add it there. So if there is no other doubts, let's conclude. So finally we were able to complete our first rapid fire lecture of this season after the technical issues of last 2 days. So now we will continue, because this YouTube streaming and all, sometimes due to software issues or network issues, these things happen. But once that is set, it will continue like that. The last 1-2 months we were not scheduling live classes. That's why there were some serious setting changes happened. That was the issue. That is what I'm assuming, or that is what I have identified. So abhi wo issues are sorted. So next class, just like today's class, there won't be any buffering issue. So that's it. Let's conclude then, if there is no other doubts. As I have mentioned, this session will be recorded in this channel. So this video link, you can share it to your friends so that they can watch this as recordings. And all of you, make sure you have subscribed the channel and hit the bell icon, and comment under the video what you felt about the session. That will be really inspiring for me, and that will be really good for the YouTube algorithm also to recommend this video to more people. Yeah, the simple rule is, if a content is good, YouTube will recommend, and content good, YouTube cannot automatically know it. YouTube should, yeah, AI and all is there, but still YouTube will know the response from the participants. That is how the algorithm is set. So your response, whether it is like, comments, or the live chat, all will contribute to that YouTube algorithm to share this video to more YouTube recommendations. So please do that, so that I will be also able to schedule more such sessions in the next 2-3 weeks. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.